Oh, you're waiting for this one right here?
No, I mean test.
Oh, yeah. I took a test, and I recorded myself taking a test because I was doing it locally. Okay, awesome. This is working. Hello. We're trying this again. GG, blah, blah, blah.
We're back.
Oh, yeah. Wait, actually, we don't have a link posted. It doesn't matter. We'll just post it later.
Let me post a link.
Actually, I should change this to after party. That's what it should be. All right. Code. So all we did right now is we switched computers because you guys know me. I'm scatterbrained. So what we're going to do...
Alexander already posted the link.
Yeah, you can send the link. Yeah, send them the link.
No, it's already posted.
What?
Yeah.
I'm talking about for the second one. Because now there's two. Now there's a part two. I couldn't make it switch.
Gotcha.
At least I don't know how to make it switch. I probably could have just Googled it. But
Hey, we're here now.
But we're not here to be smart. We're here to
Have fun.
to fart, something stupid like that. I don't know. All right. So let's kind of like look at our code just a little bit here. So right now what's happening is that it cannot detect the device. And that's just because I don't have it on the proper port. So let's just make sure we set up the ports. So we have Arduino Uno. We're going to set it up on COM15. And we're going to try to upload again. Perfect. So our code is uploaded. We're going to see here for our LCD display whether that's working. You guys can't see it. GG, should have came. And we're going to wait for this to set up.
Are we connecting it right now?
Yo. Huh?
They loved it. My resume.
They did? Awesome.
Like they said that I would have like no issue getting a phone interview at least anywhere.
Awesome. There you go.
They gave a few tweaks as they should.
Wait, what time is it? Oh, no, it doesn't matter.
Wait, who?
Google interview.
Oh, hell yeah.
People.
Oh, yeah.
That's good, brother. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and see if there's any issues with our stuff set up on here.
They loved the ACM mention.
Can you see a mention?
Am I rolling it?
Yep.
Mr. Vice President.
All right.
Hey, I mean, they said it really set me apart.
Let's see here. So we do this. Repeat. Receive resume. Okay. So for actual code base here, we have several libraries that we have included. These are sort of some built-in libraries for a liquid crystal LCD, the SR04, which is basically the ultrasonic sensor, and then the IR remote and the IR receiver, basically the remote and receiver section there too, which is kind of like a wrapper class for it. So we've got our specifications of our different ports on the LCD, ultrasonic trigger and echo ports, our receiver ports, buzzer ports, and then our detection range. The detection range we want to use for our system. So basically what we're going to do is basically setting up and creating the liquid crystal controller, the SR04 controller, the IR receiver, and some results decoding. And we have some basic functions for checking if a button is pressed. This is some very, very edge case thing here. I personally do not enjoy the type of implementations that are used in some microcontroller code. It looks very unclean, but it is necessary and it's how it works. And you would have to do a little bit more reading on the specifics. Huh?
Sean's doing shit.
Oh, don't try to turn it off. Stop it. Sean, wait, Sean, has that been you the whole time? Wow, Sean. I trusted you. I loved you, Sean.
Oh, here it is. It said that I had very strong googliness.
Googliness.
That's their actual term.
That is terrifying.
I don't like
So now we can actually start using the potentiometer to turn on our LCD, and we can turn it online, and we can see if there's anything going on here. See if there's anybody in the way. Stop it. So he kept turning it on and off, being a little butthole. And actually, I noticed here that actually one of our ports is actually off by one little section. So it's trying to send the buzzer request, but since the posts are not in the correct locations, it actually wasn't sending it. You good, brother?
Me?
Yeah, you good?
Yeah.
All right. Make sure you all right. You might you're something. You're a peanut butter and a jelly cracker person. Oh, I forgot about this. For the active buzzer, it actually does require you to have. Directionality is important. I forgot. Actually, I was wrong on that. The positive side needs to be on the side that's connected to the external port, like the actual incoming port from the receiver. So right now that beeping is basically saying there's an intruder in your freaking house. Somebody's gone past it. So let me go ahead and turn that off. We're going to deactivate our alarm. So now we can turn it back on. This is a much better setup. My previous setup was much slower. This is really, really good. It's very clean now. So we can turn it back online. Jax, will you please move to your side? Just move over here real quick. There you go. Turns it on. So now if you want to have something that maybe, hey, if you want to have like a weird, crazy ass way of checking if someone's been in your house or been in your room, you can literally set up this little device here, maybe not have the buzzer, and have it such that it actually changes the LCD screen's thing saying that there's been someone that's entered the room since you've been gone. Because you can then easily turn it on or off using your IR receiver, which is pretty cool. You know, especially if you have a little piece of shit family likes to come in your room.
Did it attach a camera to it where it can take a picture?
Theoretically, that is one of the possible applications if you have the proper components to do something like that. So this is kind of like the basics of what we have here. The loop, the primary loop function, the setup function, and inside of here we kind of have this process for getting if the button's pressed, checking if the last time that you pressed the button, so that way you can't smash the button over and over again. So you should smash that like button. Oh my God, I hate myself.
Yo, it's Furious Paul here.
But so fucking stupid. So basically, what we can do now is appropriately set up the digital write functions and other functions for setting on the buzzer, and modifying whenever we put and print things into our LCD screen. For the code here, I really think it should be kind of your goal to actually look up some of these functions, look at the APIs, because a lot of the things are very much available online because these are open sourced libraries. So probably what we're going to do now is we're going to work on a couple little interesting or cool projects that we just kind of want to do and fuck around. So we're going to make two microcontrollers communicate and send each other your mama jokes. They're just going to constantly send each other stupid ass shit because Alexander's here and he likes to do stupid ass shit. So I'm going to take a quick break from the stream real quick because I had to check something. So look at these messages.
After these messages.
Stopping the stream for a second, guys, because probably what's going to happen is